Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Umitri Savitri. I am from class management 24B with number student 2441138. On this question, I will discuss about selecting human resource. Okay, let's get straight to it. Selecting human resource, finding the right people for organizational success. Human resources are one of the most valuable assets of any organization. The success of a company depends not only on its technology or financial research, but also on the quality of its employees. Therefore, selecting the right people for the right position is essential for achieving organizational goals and maintaining long-term competitiveness. Okay, next, definition of human resource selection. Human resource selection refers to the process of choosing the most stable candidate from a group of applicants. It involves evaluating candidates' qualifications, skill, experience, and personal characteristics to determine whether they fit the requirement of a specific job. Selection is different from recruitment. Recruitment focuses on attracting applicants, while selection focuses on identifying and hiring the best candidate. The main objective of selection is to ensure that the organization hire employees who can perform effectively and contribute to organizational success. A successful selection process benefits both employers and employees because it creates a better match between job requirement and individual capabilities. Next, importance of human resource selection. Human resource selection is extremely important because employers directly influence organizational performance. When organizations hire qualified individuals, they can improve productivity, efficiency, and customer satisfaction. Effective selection also helps reduce employees turnover. Employees who quit their job are more likely to remain with the organization for a longer period. This reduces recruitment and training costs. Furthermore, proper selection improves teamwork, strengthens organizational culture, and increases employee motivation. In contrast, poor hiring decisions can lead to low performance, workplace conflict, decreased morale, and financial loss. Therefore, selecting the right employees is considered one of the most critical responsibilities of human resource management. And next, this is objective of employee selection. The primary objective of employee selection is to identify candidates who have the knowledge, skill, abilities, and attitude required for a particular jobs. Another objective is to predict future job performance. Organizations want to hire people who can meet performance expectations and adapt to future challenges. Selection also aims to ensure a good fit between the employees and the organization. A candidate may have excellent technical skill, but if their values and work style do not align with the company culture, long-term success may be difficult. Additionally, effective selection helps organizations minimize hiring risks and build a strong workforce capable of achieving strategic goals. And next, the human resource selection process. The selection process generally consists of several steps. The first step is job analysis, where HR professional identify job responsibility and qualification. The second step is application screening, during which resume and application from a review to identify qualified candidates. The third step involves selection testing, which may include ability tests, personality assessment, or technical skill evaluation. The fourth, step in the interview, where employer gather more detailed information about candidates. The fifth step is reference and background checking to verify information provided by applicant. And finally, HR manager make the hiring decision, extend a job offer, and complete the placement process. State play an important role in ensuring the best candidate is selected. And next, application screening and selection tests. Application screening help organizations reduce the number of applications and focus on the most qualified individual. During the stake, HR manager examine educational background, work experience, certification, and relevant skill. After screening, candidates may be required to complete various selection tests. These tests provide objective information about a candidate's abilities and potential. Common selection tests include cognitive ability tests, personality tests, technical skill tests, and situational judgment tests. For example, a company hiring a software developer may administer coding assessment, while a customer service organization may use communication and problem-solving tests. This assessment help employers make more accurate hiring decisions and reduce the risk of selection unstable candidate. Next, the role of interview. Interviews are among the most widely used selection methods because they allow employers to interact directly with candidates. During an interview, employer can evaluate communication skill, confidence, problem-solving abilities, professional experience, and interpersonal skill. There are several types of interview. Structured interview use predetermined, constant question and evaluation criteria. Unstructured interviews are more flexible and conversational. Behavioral interviews focus on past experience, while panel interviews involve multiple interviews. Among these methods, structured interviews are generally considered more reliable because they provide consistency and reduce bias. A well-conducted interview helps employers gain valuable insight that may not be visible through resume or test alone. And next, and then reference checks and final hiring decision. Before a making decision, organization often conduct reference checks and background investigation. Reference checks involve contraction, previous employers, supervisor, or personal reference to verify a candidate qualification and work history. Background checks may include verification of education, employment records, criminal history, or other relevant information depending on legal requirement. Once all information has been reviewed, the organization compares candidate and select the individual who best meet the job requirement and organizational needs. The choose candidate will receive a job offer that outlines salaries, benefit responsibilities, and employment conditions. The final stakes in crucial because it confirms that the organization has made an informed and responsible hiring decision. And then this is challenge and best practice. Despite in its importance, employee selection can present several challenges. One major challenge is bias, which may affect hiring decisions and lead to unfair outcomes. Another challenge is incorrect information provided by applicants. Some candidates may exaggerate their qualification or experience. Organizations may also face difficulties. This when there are limited number of qualified applicants or when hiring must be completed quickly. To address this challenge, companies should use structured interviews, objective assessment tools, and standardized evaluation criteria. Promoting diversity, inclusion, and equal employment opportunities is also essential. By following best practice, organization can improve the fairness and effective of their selection process. And then conclusion. In conclusion, selecting human resource is a vital process that help organization identify, evaluate, and hire the most sustainable candidate. Effective selection contribute to higher productivity, stronger organizational performance, lower turnover rate, and greater employee satisfaction. The selection process includes several steps such as job analysis, screening, testing, interviewing, reference checking, and final hiring decision. Mistakes help organizations reduce hiring risk and improve workforce quality. I view their manager and professional understanding the importance of employee selection will help us build successful organization and create positive work environment. Okay guys, this explanation from me. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.